What's going on, guys? This video is kind of like all over the place because this clip is now actually being recorded a couple of days after what actually happened in this video, which is obviously the title. Got a new car, went and got S14 so basically we'll let the clips roll of us like on our way to get the car. Didn't actually end up filming lifting the car because basically it was a guy's private property. He had a load of other cars there. Didn't really want to put that online either, or don't think he would have been that comfortable with it. So yeah, let those clips roll and then I'll show you the car.
Such as seatbelts or life jackets from the aircraft. Please be...
Seriously speaking. Guess only one thing to do now is just give you a look at it. That's build tell, it's UK spec 200SX S14. Don't know why, basically I've just always wanted one and this one just came up. Sort of good money, good timing, because I just sold a Navara that's sitting down there. The guy just has to come and collect it. So just decided why not. So now I'll give you a quick run through the car. So it's a 1999 S14 DET, so it's a turbo version. Only downside of it is it is automatic. Wasn't too concerned about it being an auto, simply because most people end up upgrading it to the likes of the 350Z gearbox anyway. So I was going to end up doing that to a manual, so it didn't really concern me about trying to find specifically a manual. It was more just one that was relatively good condition. Regards to what's wrong with the car, we've got a few things. The age of the car, there is going to be issues. I do plan on painting this car, obviously changing bumpers, change the kit, wheels, bags, upgrade horsepower, interior, list goes on. But yeah, I'll give you I'll show you around it quickly. Good things, bad things, and we'll go from there. So obviously the best thing about it is the guy that actually bought this off, the car was stored for 6 years. It hasn't been drove. It was just sort of checked on, like it was started, things like that. Tires and all, it's not like they have dry rot or anything like that. Do have some issues like the paintwork. There's I actually think this is polish on the door here. I should be able to get out. Have some dents. Worst bit is probably the roof, which there's lacquer peel. I said I'm going to be painting the car anyway, same with the wing mirrors. But except for that, it's completely standard, and we have full Nissan service history for it, like complete Nissan service history. as I was saying, interior is completely stock as well, so it is the cream interior, but again, we're changing the interior, we're going to change the seats, automatic, and then except for that, there's probably not really a whole lot to show because it is a completely standard car. One of the issues of it basically on the drive home is that it does have a misfire. Now that was only happening intermittently, so it's putting us down to see either spark plugs or coil pack, simply because it does run fine, the engine's perfectly smooth, and that was one of the things I wanted, just to make sure that it was a good engine. Like if you know anything about S14s, they're not a cheap engine to replace. Probably near enough the value of some of the cars, so I just want to make sure I got a good engine. But yeah, that's probably more or less it for this video. There's going to be obviously plenty of videos working on this car. First thing is, I don't know, because I've got parts ordered for this already to start. Like we are going to look at body kit, bags, interior, manual conversion as well. So there's plenty to do on this. Yeah, guys, thanks very much for watching. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe. It'd be great. See you in the next one.